session. So yesterday we were discussing about this JavaScript result and we are not getting the alert box. But I have done some analysis and so everywhere. So when we are keeping this JavaScript result, it is not working. So that is displaying like how we are getting the same way we are getting. Okay, but what they are suggesting, either we need to go with the content one way, and the second way, if we are working with JavaScript at jQuery code, in that case again it will work. Okay, so in this way it will work, but anyway, for now I don't want you guys to go with this JavaScript or jQuery for now. Why? Because once you register, go for like some scripting related things or something, that case we will go for it. But anyway, for now it's not required. That's what I feel. Okay, so for now the example whatever we have seen, that is fine for now. Okay, fine. Then I'm moving to our next one. So many people are thinking like today is holiday. Holiday. But one thing, see, when we start the session, sir, how many days it will complete? 45 days. No, 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 sir. It's possible for 30 days. Some people will say, hmm. Some people will say 45 days. Some people will say 2 months. No, sir. So how early it is completed? But no, people are not joining. This is what typical human psychology may be. Okay. So we'll go for it and you guys got the output for file result? Anyone? Anyone tried for file result? Yeah. Two people. Anyone else? Only two. You did not try it or you did not cut out. Was it? See, what about other people? So they were sleeping or they kept their headphones somewhere and they are not listening and they don't want to speak. Why I'm asking this question means, you got it, Kiran? For my previous batch, for my previous batch, they asked me to repeat it again. So this path, they were unable to get it properly. That's the reason. But anyway, I explained this time. Geeta, what happened? You got the output? Okay, okay. Got. So some 6 7 people at least tried. Okay. Okay. The next one, redirection results. We have two types of redirection result. One is redirect result and other one is redirect to route result. Okay. So first we'll go with this one. Simple. I'm asking my index to go for what? Google.com. So do you guys see where it went? Google. I did not open my Chrome. This is my Edge. And from my application, it is going. Okay. So now, yeah, just note down. Keep a heading of redirection result. Yeah, you can note down this theory. Yeah, now we'll go for example. Okay, so we'll go for the other example. I will create one more action here. Let's see what will happen now. Now tell me, what is the reason? Excellent, good catch. What is the controller name? We got it. Yeah, note down these two methods also. No. How can we call all action methods in one call? Now status code. So we have two types of status code, like say for example, sometime if we try to access one page which we don't have access, then what will happen? So like other unauthorized or you don't have access kind of thing. So how can we do that? Means this one. Actually, outside people don't teach all the actions, but yeah, I thought to give all the actions so that you people will be perfect and when you go for interviews. See, you don't need to have that much knowledge on it or something. So just once execute the program, that is enough. Okay. So you don't need to have all the code and all, you don't need to remember all these things. Just once practice and also just remember the names. That is enough. See, actually, this is our output. This is not error. Okay. So see, we got unauthorized. Why we got it? Because of our code. This one. Okay, this is how, see, sometimes when we try to open some banking sites or something, then we'll get this type of errors, right? Because they kept like this. Okay, so note down HTTP status code. So Wasim is so fast today. not found result. So if we want to work with some error codes or something, then we need to work like this. Sorry, you don't have access. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. We can write any error. So this is not predefined. I only wrote. I mean, it's a we can write any error there. So JSON will try for one more. JSON without model will try. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so I created one model here. Actually, this is not a model. So we need to declare this model in our separate class. So once we get into that model, we'll see that. Okay, so I created one class here and I declared three properties. But I'm trying to prepare one list here. See, private list of which type this user model. Get users is my method name. After that, see this is what where user list equals to we created one object. This is one list, one set of list. See, this is one more set of list. This is one more set of list. Okay. So user ID we can change also. Okay. So simple. We are constructing one list here. This list is most important for us. Why? Because going forward, so when we do this CRUD operations or something, we'll work with this list only. Okay, that's the reason I want to give this before. So why? Because our next concept is also associated with list only. It's action selectors and all those things, very big programs and all. So this is associated with lists. Okay, so it's better if we will have some knowledge on list, so that will become easy for you guys also. That's what I am thinking. Okay, so see here. So this is a method, simple method. Here we are just creating one list. Okay, list of user. What is this user model? People tell me. What is this user model? It's a class. So the class, whatever the class we have here, the same. So, and after that, can someone tell me by seeing this, what is this one? New class name. What is that? Object. What is that? Object. So we are creating one object and we are adding those values. From where we got user ID? This property. From where we got username? This property. From where we got this company? From this property. The same, I'm creating one more object. And same thing. And finally, what we are writing here? User list. From where we got this user list again? Here, this one. Okay. What is that, madam? Object can have same name for what? See, class name, object name equal to new class name. That is what the syntax of object. So new class name, right? That new class name and this new class name both are same. Got it, Padmavati? Madam, this is not object name. This is object only. Our object name is this one. This one. User list is there, right? This is our object name. Uh, User list is our object name, and we are creating objects here and we are adding them. That's it. because it's a list type. That's the reason we are creating. See how a list will become. See, set of 3 objects or 4 objects or 5 objects will become a list, right, Padmavati? So like, this is user one list. This is one more user, one more list. This is one more user, one more list. Okay. And finally, what we are doing with our JSON, see, where users equal to get users, from where we got it here. And return JSON of users and allow JSON behavior that allow get. Now, if we run the program, then what will happen? It will display in what? Key value format. Got it? Any questions? Anyone? So maybe some people, for some people it is new. Yes. Now ask me the questions. I will wait for 2 minutes. Someone want me to explain one more time? I'm ready to explain. Please tell me. Okay. I will unmute you and I will get the answer from you only. Okay. Then you will understand better. Yeah. Unmute yourself, Padmavati.
Hi, sir.
Hi. So fine. So that we will see, Ajay. Not now. Later we'll see. So our radio.net concepts will come right. That time we'll see. You don't worry. One minute, Padmavati. So if someone had doubts, we'll help them.
Okay, sir.
But anyway, Ajay, we can't save list values at a time. So see, for example, if you have object, you will go to for loop or for each loop or something, and you will iterate, you will go for this for loop for something. You will get the maximum values and you will iterate the loop and you will save the values. Okay. But in user creation or some kind of thing, at a time we can create one user only. Once one is created, the second one will go. Or if you are going with the for loop, in that case also we'll save one value at a time. Yeah, any more questions? Okay, so we will go with the explanation one more time. Okay, so people see here first our class and we declare 3 properties. Okay, 3 nothing. So properties, right?
Okay, sir.
So you don't know properties.
Yeah, I know, sir.
Actually, that is one concept in our C# actually. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So that's why I'm directly saying. So that is one of the concept in C# we have seen. Okay. So fine. So close this one. That is clear, right? Simple. Simply just think like variables. Okay. For now, if you don't know properties, think like variable. Now, this is what is this one? Private return type method name. Yeah. Now, my C# someone tell me if what are different types of return types?
It's static return type and void return type.
I'm not
Void.
static. Who told you? Yeah, someone wrote here. What is that basket? In string, what we call them? Yeah. So I will tell. So I will ask someone. So Hashni, what are different types? I3, Gopi Annam, Suresh. What are different types of written types? So one is void and other one is data type. Okay. What is that? Padmavati? Different types of
Data.
written types available.
Yeah. Data type and void. Yeah.
So make it loud.
Void and data type.
What is the time now for you?
It's 11, sir. 11. 11 a.m.
Yeah, then you have your breakfast for sure.
Yes, yes.
Then you're not speaking. Yeah,
Yeah, it's void and the data type.
correct. So now people tell me what will happen if you keep void as written type.
It represents nothing.
Yeah, we don't need to return anything.
Mm.
Is this clear for you? What will happen if it is a data type?
It returns the data type value.
Perfect. We need to return that particular data type. What is that particular data type means? If it is integer, you need to return int value. If it is a string, you need to return a string value. If it is a char, you need to return a char value. If it is a class, then you need to return class type. So now what we are trying to return here? What is our return type here? Tell me.
It's list, sir. List.
Is that you got it now? What is this one? List.
List.
So what we need to return now? Tell me. Tell me what we need to return.
It's a list.
Perfect. That's what we are doing here.
Okay.
Okay. So list
Okay.
type this user model.
Okay, sir.
You got it now, everyone?
Yes.
Of this class. And finally, what is this user list? Tell me.
It's a list.
It's a list of this class object.
Class of.
How you can add a list? You need to create 4 lists or 5 lists here, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they will become one set of list. And finally, so this is what our list. And finally, what we are returning here?
Sir, list object.
Perfect. Got it now, Padmavati?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So finally, we are returning the same.
Same. Okay.
You can mute yourself. Thank you. Okay. So any questions? I will give some 2 minutes, I think. So guys, so we'll go for tomorrow. Can we go for C sharp interview questions? Can we discuss C sharp interview questions? Or Monday? Which one? Monday or tomorrow? So why I'm saying Monday means if I give 2 days time, you people will read. That's why. So we'll discuss about all the topics. One time, C sharp. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Later we'll go for MVC also. One time revision on MVC. The topics which we done till today. Yes, was it Monday? Fine. Suhasini, Kranti are. See, I'm not happy with you guys. So you people don't respond properly. Only 5, 6 people are responding. So Tejaswini, Tejaswini, what is this? Tejashwar Rao and Rajashri, Ramya, Ritika, Shivraj. Shivraj, what you will say? Santosh? Sir, without completing C sharp bracket, if you go for interview questions, what I will answer, sir? That's what you are saying. Santosh? Saujanya, Shravani. So if people are not interested, no problem. I will go with the concept. That's why. Someone is saying no. Santosh? So tomorrow is fine, but people don't answer. That's what I'm thinking. Why? Because right, Suhasini, I will unmute people and I will ask questions. So you don't need any revision on C sharp topics then? Ritika, please confirm it. If people are not interested, I don't go for revision. I will go for MVC only. I don't have any problem. So please respond. I will go with majority only. So see, one thing I can tell. Yeah, interview questions only. That's what I'm saying. So one is interview questions, and the other one is what we do. So if I ask one question, I will tell the concept, what is that, and how to answer in interview, everything. So one person is not interested in interview questions discussion. No, sir, it's required. Kiran is saying. So Ritika, please confirm your thoughts also, no problem. So that your friends will understand. What is that? Okay for what?